In this video I will show you how to automatically transfer data from one Excel file to another using Power Automate. The flow runs on a daily schedule and moves rows from Test Excel File 1 to Test Excel File 2, both stored in SharePoint. Now let's get started. Step 1. Create a scheduled cloud flow. Open Power Automate and click Create in the left menu. Select Scheduled Cloud Flow. Give your flow a name such as Transfer Excel Data Daily. Set the repeat interval and time to whatever suits your situation. In this example we use 1 day and 6 a.m. and click Create to open the flow editor. Step 2. Add the List Rows action for Test Excel File 1. Click the plus icon to add a new action and search for Excel Online. Select the action called List Rows Present in a Table. Set the location to your SharePoint site, set the document library, and select Test Excel File 1. Then select the table inside that file. This action will retrieve all rows with the columns Description 1, Department 1, and Priority 1. Step 3. Enable Pagination. By default, Power Automate only retrieves a limited number of rows. To make sure all rows are included, click Settings on the List Rows action to open Settings. Turn on Pagination and set the threshold to 5,000. In this way you can go up to 5,000 rows to copy from the Excel file. Step 4. Add an Apply to Each loop. Add a new action and search for Apply to Each. In the Select an Output field, use the Dynamic Content panel to select the value output from the List Rows action. This loop will go through every single row from Test Excel File 1 one by one. Step 5. Add rows to Test Excel File 2. Inside the Apply to Each loop, add a new action and search for Excel Online again. Select the action called Add a Row into a Table. Set the location to your SharePoint site, select the document library, and choose Test Excel File 2 and its table. Now map each column. Set Description 2 to the Dynamic Content Description 1, set Department 2 to Department 1, and set Priority 2 to Priority 1. Step 6. Save and test the flow. Click Save to save your flow. Then click Test, select Manually, and click Run Flow to trigger it right away without waiting for the scheduled time. Once the flow has finished, open Test Excel File 2 in SharePoint and check that all rows have been transferred correctly. That is everything. You have now built a Power Automate flow that automatically transfers data from Test Excel File 1 to Test Excel File 2 on a daily schedule, fully hands-off. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and subscribe to the channel so you never miss a new tutorial.